Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English class. I'm Emily, your teacher.
And I'm Jake, your learning friend. Hi, everybody.
Today, we have a very useful topic for you. We're going to talk about daily routines.
Daily routines. That means the things we do every day.
Exactly. Your morning, your afternoon, your evening. What do you do every day?
I think this is really useful, Emily, because we all have a routine, right?
Yes, everyone has a daily routine. And when you learn English, talking about your routine is very important.
It helps you in conversations.
That's right. So today, we'll learn how to describe your daily routine in simple English.
I'm excited. I want to learn new words and phrases.
Good. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoy our podcast, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
Yes, please. Share it with everyone who is learning English.
Okay, Jake, are you ready to start?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's begin with the morning. Jake, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up.
Perfect. I wake up. That's the first thing everyone does. You wake up. Can you say it again?
I wake up.
Good. Now, listeners, repeat after us. I wake up. So, Jake, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That's a good time. So you can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Easy.
Yes, it's easy. Now, what do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I get up.
Exactly. I get up. This means you leave your bed. You stand up.
Oh, I see. Wake up is when you open your eyes. Get up is when you leave the bed.
Perfect explanation, Jake. So we have two phrases, wake up and get up.
I wake up at 7, then I get up.
Good. Listeners, let's practice. Say it with us. I wake up. I get up. Wonderful. Okay, Jake. After you get up, what's next?
Well, I go to the bathroom.
Yes. You go to the bathroom. And what do you do there?
I brush my teeth.
Good. I brush my teeth. This is very important. We brush our teeth every morning.
Yes, for clean teeth.
That's right. So, I brush my teeth. Can you say it, listeners? Excellent. And Jake, what else do you do in the bathroom?
I wash my face.
Perfect. I wash my face. We use water and soap, and we wash our face.
I wash my face every morning. It wakes me up.
Yes, it helps you feel fresh. So now we have more actions. I brush my teeth, and I wash my face.
These are good morning routines.
They are. Now let's practice together. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Great job. Okay, Jake. After the bathroom, what do you do?
I get dressed.
Yes. I get dressed. This means you put on your clothes.
I put on my shirt, my pants, my socks.
You get dressed for the day. I get dressed.
I get dressed at 7:30.
Good sentence. You're using time too. That's very helpful.
Thank you. I'm learning.
You are. Now, listeners, repeat this phrase. I get dressed. Perfect. So, Jake, after you get dressed, what happens next?
Then I have breakfast.
Ah, breakfast. Very important. I have breakfast. We don't say I eat breakfast. We say I have breakfast.
Oh, interesting. I have breakfast.
Yes. You can also say I eat breakfast. But I have breakfast is more common.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Good. And what do you eat for breakfast, Jake?
I eat toast and eggs, and I drink coffee.
Delicious. So you can say, I have toast and eggs for breakfast.
I have toast and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee.
Excellent. Listeners, let's practice. Say, I have breakfast. I drink coffee. Very good. Now, Jake, after breakfast, do you go to work?
Yes, I leave home at 8:30.
Perfect. I leave home. This means you go out of your house.
I leave home and I go to work.
Great. I go to work. That's another useful phrase. What about you, listeners? Do you go to work or do you go to school?
Some people go to school, some go to work.
Exactly. You can say, I go to work or I go to school.
I go to work by bus.
Oh, good detail. I go to work by bus. You're telling us how you travel.
Yes. Some people go by car, by train, by bike, and
That's right. By bus, by car, by train, by bike. These are all ways to travel.
or you can walk. I walk to work.
Yes, I walk to work. Very good, Jake. Okay, listeners, let's practice these phrases. I go to work. I go by bus. Excellent. Now, Jake, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Good. I start work at 9 o'clock. And what do you do at work?
Well, I work on my computer. I answer emails. I have meetings.
Those are all good work activities. I answer emails. I have meetings.
Yes, that's my job.
And when do you have lunch, Jake?
I have lunch at 12:30.
I have lunch. Just like breakfast, we say, I have lunch.
I have lunch at 12:30. Sometimes I eat a sandwich.
Nice. I eat a sandwich. So you can say what you eat for lunch, too.
I have lunch with my coworkers.
Oh, that's nice. I have lunch with my coworkers. That means the people you work with.
Yes, we eat together.
That's good. Okay, listeners, let's practice. Say, I have lunch. I eat a sandwich. Great. Now, Jake, after lunch, you continue working?
Yes, I work until 5 o'clock.
I work until 5 o'clock. That means your work finishes at 5.
Yes, then I finish work.
Perfect. I finish work. So you start work at 9 and you finish work at 5.
That's right. Then I go home.
I go home. The end of the work day.
I go home at 5:30.
And how do you go home? By bus again?
Yes, I go home by bus. Sometimes I'm tired.
Of course. Work can be tiring. So you go home by bus.
Yes,
Okay, listeners, repeat these phrases. I finish work. I go home. Wonderful. So, Jake, you arrive home. What do you do then?
when I arrive home, I relax.
Yes, I relax. That's important after work.
I sit on the sofa. I watch TV.
Good. I watch TV. That's a common evening activity.
Yes, I watch TV for 1 hour.
Nice. So you relax and watch TV. What else do you do in the evening?
I make dinner.
Ah, I make dinner. Or you can say, I cook dinner.
I cook dinner at 7 o'clock.
Good. I cook dinner at 7 o'clock. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. It's easy and delicious.
Pasta is great. So you cook dinner and then you have dinner.
Yes, I have dinner at 7:30.
I have dinner. Just like breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have dinner at 7:30.
Perfect. Do you eat alone or with someone?
Sometimes I eat with my family, sometimes alone.
That's nice. I eat with my family. Okay, listeners, let's practice these evening phrases. Say, I watch TV. I cook dinner. I have dinner. Excellent work. So, Jake, after dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Ah, yes. I wash the dishes. Not the most fun activity.
No, but it's necessary.
That's true. So you wash the dishes. Then what?
Then I take a shower.
I take a shower. Very good. In the evening, many people take a shower.
Yes, it helps me relax before bed.
That's nice. I take a shower before bed.
Yes.
Okay, and after your shower?
I read a book.
Oh, wonderful. I read a book. That's a great evening routine.
I read for 30 minutes. I like reading.
That's good for your English, too. Reading helps you learn.
Yes, exactly.
All right, listeners, let's practice. Say, I take a shower. I read a book. Great. Now, Jake, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed at 10:30. That's a good time.
Yes, I need my sleep.
Of course. Sleep is very important. So you go to bed at 10:30.
Yes, and I go to sleep.
Ah, good point. I go to bed and I go to sleep. These are a little different.
Really? What's the difference?
I go to bed means you get into your bed. I go to sleep means you actually fall asleep.
Oh, I understand. So first I go to bed, then I go to sleep.
Exactly. Sometimes you go to bed at 10:30, but you don't go to sleep until 11.
Yes, that's true. Sometimes I check my phone in bed.
Many people do that, but it's better to go to sleep quickly.
You're right.
Okay, listeners, let's practice these final phrases. Say, I go to bed. I go to sleep. Excellent. Now, Jake, can you tell me your whole daily routine from morning to night?
Okay, let me try. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I get dressed.
Good start.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat toast and eggs and I drink coffee. Then I leave home at 8:30. I go to work by bus.
Very clear.
I start work at 9 o'clock. I work on my computer. I have lunch at 12:30. I finish work at 5 o'clock and go home.
Excellent.
At home, I relax and watch TV. I cook dinner and have dinner at 7:30. Then I wash the dishes and take a shower. I read a book for 30 minutes. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30.
Perfect, Jake. That was a complete daily routine. Well done.
Thank you. I used all the phrases we learned.
You did. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Can you describe your daily routine? Think about your morning, your afternoon, and your evening.
What time do you wake up? What do you have for breakfast?
When do you go to work or school? What do you do in the evening?
Practice saying it out loud. It will help you remember the phrases.
That's right. Practice is very important for learning English.
And remember to use simple sentences.
Yes, simple sentences are perfect. You don't need complicated grammar. Just say, I wake up at 7. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Easy.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review. What did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about our daily routine.
That's right. We learned morning phrases like, I wake up, I get up, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I get dressed.
We learned about meals. I have breakfast. I have lunch. I have dinner.
Yes. And we learned work phrases. I go to work, I start work, I finish work, I go home.
And evening activities. I watch TV, I cook dinner, I take a shower, I read a book.
Perfect. And finally, I go to bed, I go to sleep.
These are all very useful phrases for everyday English.
They are. You can use them every day to talk about your routine.
And you can ask other people, what time do you wake up? Or what do you do after work?
Exactly. These questions help you have conversations in English.
I'm so happy we learned this today.
Me too, Jake. And I hope all our listeners are happy too.
I think they are. This was a great lesson.
Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Real English. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what time do you wake up? And what do you have for breakfast?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners and your daily routines.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.